I say, Lord, it's hot and I want to eat. So I said, okay, what I'm gonna do? Get some of that canned chicken. Bile, you see the chicken? So I took that, put that in a pot with some broth, and then I used some of that better than bouillon, and then I grabbed, all my seasonings, and then I turned around and said, "Oh, girl, you got some carne asada." So I took the carne asada and did the same thing. So I'm basically repeating the step that I did with that one, and then my rice is already done. So I just add my rice into the pot, and yes, you don't have to use rice. Use your quinoa, whatever it is you eat, but honestly, I added enough rice in there, and after it sit for a while, the rice is going to absorb all those great flavors. That's my bowl. I wanted beef, and he wanted beef too. That's his bowl, and this is my dinner date. Now, I made chicken for me and my kids, and I made beef. So that way, I don't have to be stuck in the kitchen tomorrow. Y'all have a blessed day.